Today I have this beaded wreath from Hobby Lobby. You can get it from the woodpile section. They're about $3. They're really not that expensive. And I got the lamb's ear from Walmart. I always have sprays around. And I'm just taking a couple branches with some floral wire and wrapping it around the beaded wreath. I'm going to do a spray to the left and then a spray to the right. And I'm using darker floral wire, the dark green. I get these large, they're these bouquet, they're almost like a bridal bouquet from Michael's. You can sometimes find them on sale for about $5. And I just grab them so I can use the buds in different crafts. And I had this one vintage one that had this pretty mauve bud, and I just love the green that tapers into the center. I had the spray of beads left over from Easter, and I'm just going to take a little branch. They have that wire in the twig, and I'm just going to wrap that around. I just want a couple of these beads showing, and then I'm going to glue my bud right in this area. I took an extra one of the beads and glued it into the center of the bud. And most of you have seen these type of wreaths. I'm going to step it up a notch, and I found this hello at Dollar General, and it sits on a stand. I'm going to place the wreath behind the hello using my floral wire and wiring it to the left and to the right to give it stability. And you could either grab the two stems that kind of hold the hello word, seem to be enough to put it right in that area. And with the dark floral wire, you really can barely see it unless you're looking for it. Very, very simple. This would be great for a wedding, or just a nice spring decor in your home. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.